Hi. After exploring in previous videos tools and methodologies that can help us identify our situation objectively, such as PESTEL and SWOT analysis and risk management and mitigation planning, in the upcoming videos we are going to dive into the discovery of tools that could help us design projects, design products, or design also solutions for our communities. In this particular video, we will start by how to set a vision and mission for a project that we consider a solution for a certain problem in our communities. So, the first thing we need to do is gather a project team before we start implementing the project. The team need to spend some time together to make sure that it has a shared understanding of where the project is going. The terms that we use to describe our targets and overall destination are the mission and vision. We also use goals and objectives. Many projects fail because it's often taken for granted that team members are aware of what the mission is, when it is usually not the case at all. Even the team members could be also unaware of the particular problem our project is trying to solve. So, accurately describing the problem will determine how we will solve it. If a proper definition of the problem is not developed, we are likely to have a solution to the wrong problem. This would be a failure. A definition of a problem is simply describing the gap between where we are and where we want to be, while pinpointing the obstacles that we might have on the road to achieve a solution or reach our goals. So we must understand how to define the problem to properly set our vision, mission, goals, and objectives. We also need to properly understand the difference between vision, mission, goals, and objectives. So, when we are handed a project, which will be our mission, we need to understand the problem statement. That means the first order of action and implementation for the project team is to understand the problems they are trying to solve and establish their relative mission and vision and objectives. The mission of every project is to achieve the vision of the project. To do this, we need to work closely with stakeholders, including the sponsor or donor, and the beneficiaries involved to make sure that we have a good understanding of the project requirement. To write the mission statement of a project, we need to answer mainly two questions. What are we going to do, and for whom are we going to do it? Once we've developed the mission statement, the project objectives can be written. Now the objectives are more specific than the mission statement, and they specify what we intend to complete for the mission to be achieved. An objective describes the desired result to be achieved, while the task, on the other hand, is an activity performed to achieve the objective. So keep in mind when writing the objectives of our project of these facts. In a series of videos that will come after, we will be sharing with you tools and methods that will help us develop our project plan, designing solutions for our communities or products and services for the market. Bye.